Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can add device on Amazon Prime Video. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to not miss any videos from our channel. Now let's get into it. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC and there search for primevideo.com. And make sure to get logged into your account. Now from the home page tap on profile name at the top right and then tap on account and settings option. Now once again you have to type in your account details and tap on sign in button. Once you tap on it, you will be landed to account and settings page. Now from that page, you will be able to see different sections. Now from those sections, head over to your devices section and there you will be able to see register another device option. Now tap on register new device next to it. Now once you tap on it, this type of interface will appear on your screen. Now in here, type in your registration code which looks something like this. Now if you don't have your registration code yet, then you can get it one by following this step. Open the Prime Video app on your TV or device and then select register on Prime website and you will get your registration code on the left of the screen. Now once you get the registration code, type in your registration code here and then tap on register device button. And that was the quick and easy video on how to register device on Amazon Prime Video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.